It is a national level innovation challenge launched by the Ministry of Education in collaboration with Education Niti Aayog and the Atal Innovation Mission. The aim of this program is to encourage students from classes 6 to 12 to think creatively and develop innovative ideas for the progress of our nation. The main goal of this initiative is to make India a self-reliant, skilled and developed country by 2047. Through this, the Buildathon students get a chance to identify real-life problems and present their own ideas, models and prototypes to solve them. It promotes teamwork, creativity and problem-solving skills among young minds. The bulletin focus on four major themes: Atmanirbhar Bharat, Vocal for Local, Swadeshi and Samriddh Bharat. These themes inspire students to local source, supports Indian-made innovation and contribute to building a prosperous nation. Such programs helps us become innovators, leaders and responsible citizens who can lead India toward the dream of a Viksit Bharat, a developing. Under this Buildathon, our team named the Maths Rising Star has selected the Samriddh Bharat category. Our team consists of 5 members: Yashasvi Jain, Kali Jain, Atishay Jain, Anshika Singh and Riddhi Singh. We are prepared an activity based on this theme to spread awareness about the importance of a prosperous area. Now we, the Maths Rising Star, we will ask a few quiz questions related to Samriddh Bharat and Viksit Bharat Buildathon. We invited all our respected teachers and their students to participate and answer them with enthusiasm.
According to the latest government estimates, what is India's GDP growth rate for the fiscal year of 2023 to 24? My first option is 5.5%, second 6.5%, third 7% and fourth 8.5%. Yes, the correct answer is 7%. Second question. Which Indian state became the first to implement the 100% electric vehicle policy to promote mobility? My first option is Delhi, second Maharashtra, third Karnataka, fourth Telangana. Yes, the correct option is Delhi. Third question. As 2024. Which India city has been declared the most developed in terms of infrastructure and quality of life in government smart city initiatives? First, Bangalore, second, Ahmedabad, third, Surat, fourth, Chennai. The correct option is Surat.
Initiatives. The PM Gati Shakti plan was launched in 2021. What is the primary objective of this scheme? A. Enhancing manufacturing. B. Enhancing digital infrastructure. C. Improving connectivity and logistics. D. Expanding healthcare and services. The correct answer is improving connectivity and logistics. Second, India has been making strides in improving its education sector. In 2023, which state launched the Mission Shakti program to enhance women's empowerment? A. Kerala. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Rajasthan. D. Madhya Pradesh. Yes, the correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. What is the scheme that aims to provide free healthcare services to all citizens, especially those in rural areas, under the National Health Mission? A. Ayushman Bharat. B. Vardhaman Mantri Jan Yojana. C. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. D. Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana.
Ayushman Bharat.
Yes, the correct answer is Ayushman Bharat.
First question is, India launched its first indigenously developed quantum computer in 2023. What is it called? Option A, Param Quantum, option B, Aryabhatta Quantum, option C, Sage Quantum, and option D, Anvesh Quantum.
The correct answer is Parampon. Now my second question is, which is the first Indian country to reach the $200 billion market capitalization milestone? Option A, Tata Consultancy Services. Option B, Reliance Industries. Option C, HDFC Bank. And option D, Adani Enterprises. No, the correct answer
Tata.
is option B, Reliance Industries. Now the third question is, India's first 5G network was launched in which year? 2021, 2022, 2023 or 2024? Yes, the correct answer is 2022.
Questions are based on infrastructure and development. My first question is, which is the longest expressway in India inaugurated in 2023 connecting Delhi and Uttar Pradesh? Option A, Delhi-Meerut Expressway. Option B, Eastern Peripheral Expressway. Option C, Purvanchal Expressway. Option D, Ganga Expressway. The right answer is Purvanchal Expressway. In 2024, India completed the construction of a major new airport in which city expected to be one of the largest in Asia. Option A, Noida. Option B, Bengaluru. Option C, Mumbai. Option D, Jewar. The correct option is D, Jewar. My third question is, the new Parliament building of India was inaugurated in which year? Option A, 2021. Option B, 2022. Option C, 2023 or option D, 2024. The right answer is option B, 2022.
Jai Bharat everyone, my India announced its plan to achieve net zero carbon emission by which year? Option A 2030, option B 2040, option C 2050, option D 2070. The correct answer is 2070. My second question is, which state in India became the first to introduce a green hydrogen policy in 2023 to promote clean energy? Option A Gujarat, option B Andhra Pradesh, option C Punjab, option D Kerala. The correct answer is Gujarat. My third question is, which of the following Indian cities has been recognized by the UN as a global hub of clean energy due to its renewable energy project? Option A Kochi, option B Pune, option C Varanasi, option D Hyderabad. The correct answer is Kochi. Thank you.